Hello, so today or this time it's going to be part 3 and we are going to try and create flaps at the ends of the vector banner. And let me share my screen. So you see I have this shape here already. And what I want to do before I do anything else is to give it a little bit more padding. So direct selection tool, and I'll click here. You see there is a white node here. I will press Shift key and go to the next white and go to the next white and go to the next white. And when I'm done, I just grab the path and drag it up a little bit like this. So now I am, I have my banner. I have quite a lot of space at the top and bottom, which is what I wanted. Click away from the banner and then select it again and press Option and drag just the red banner down, okay? So we'll keep it down here. And we can change the color just so we know when we are working with the two banners. And once I have it here recolored, again, I'm going to shift it up and take it up this way so that it kind of covers the text, the top of the text, and have, kind of hangs below the red banner a little bit. So, but as you can see, it's now on top of the red banner. So what we do is we'll right click, go to Arrange and send it back. So this is now what we have here. This is our banner with the two different parts on top of each other. So the next I could do a line and just align it horizontally. Everything is okay. So the next step is to go to the rectangle tool, and I'm going to draw a rectangle that's that gives the text some padding, okay? So let's say I'm going to draw something like this. Okay, and reduce opacity to about 50. Go to Align and Center. And whilst this blue rectangle is selected, I'm going to press Select, Shift, and click on the red banner, okay? And then I'm going to go to the Pathfinder and press Option and press the Intersect feature on the Pathfinder. So this is what I got now, okay? And because I want to be able to distinguish these two banners, now I'm going to give the top one a red color again, so I know what I'm working with. Actually, I'm going to keep it blue as it was. Okay. So again, we are going to go to the rectangle and draw a another rectangle here that's slightly smaller than the original. opacity, and align and center. And with that top rectangle selected, I'll go to select and press shift. And this time I'm going to select not this top banner, but the bottom one, okay? And I'll go to Pathfinder again, click on option, and this time we are going to use minus front. So this is what I'm getting here, okay? Now I have these two flaps in the front, so what I need to do is I need to try and arrange and send to back. And now I can do something with my text. I can let me see. Actually, I am going to try and see whether I can select my text. Okay, let's first fix the color. So I want, for the fill, I want my red, but I don't want it at 52 opacity. So I'm going to go and do it straight there and do this one here also red. And opacity. And now since this one is still on top, send to back. Okay, so both of these rectangles, I mean the flaps that we now have, plus the main banner shape have to be sent back towards the end. And you will, you can now, because this is now a smart object, right? So you can change the appearance, you can recolor as you want, and you can do with it whatever, you know, whatever you feel in terms of color and the opacity. So this concludes the exercise, the ribbon banner exercise. And I'm going to post this on YouTube, on my channel on YouTube, and also send you a note right now via announcements that it's there so that you can start working on it. Let me stop the share and stop the meeting.